In this video, let's crochet this flower wreath keychain. We are making the base for it, which is also the easiest version. I'm making the pink and purple one for this tutorial. Starting with the inside of the flower, make a measured ring. And do 5 single crochet inside the measured ring. Pull the tail to close the hole. End this round with a slip stitch in the first stitch. Leave a short tail to fasten off. Next, insert your hook into the same first stitch. Take your yarn for the petals. Leave a short tail to fasten off, yarn over and pull the yarn through the first stitch and chain 2. Then 3 double crochet into the same first stitch. And finish the first petal with a slip stitch in the next stitch. The first petal is done. Repeat this pattern for each petal until you have 5 petals. Now second petal starts with chain 2, then 3 double crochet into the same second stitch. Pull aside the petals so you can see the third stitch, then slip stitch into the third stitch. The second petal is done. Repeat 3 more petals. Now the third petal starts with chain 2, then 3 double crochet into the same third stitch. Pull aside the stitches so you can see the fourth stitch, then slip stitch into the fourth stitch. The third petal is done. Onto the fourth petal, start with chain 2, then 3 double crochet into the same fourth stitch. Pull aside the stitches so you can see the fifth stitch, then slip stitch into the fifth stitch. The fourth petal is done. Last petal starts with chain 2, then 3 double crochet into the same fifth stitch. Pull aside the stitches so you can see the last stitch. Finish the last petal with a slip stitch in this last stitch. All 5 petals are done. Leave a short tail to fasten off. Next, we weave in the tail to the back. Here's how the back looks like. Sew the tail into the same last stitch. Now pull each tail to tighten the respective stitches. Here, place the tails from the petals together and the tails from the inner part together. And we tie the similar color tails tight together. Now for the tails from the inner part. Weave into the stitch closest to the knot. Pull tight to hide the knot. Do not cut away first. For the tails from the petals, weave into the petal closest to the knot. Check your needle that it doesn't show in front. Weave the tails in. Now all the tails are weaved in. Next, we are going to hide the knots. Place the flower on a flat surface and pull the tails tight. Cut away the ends as close as possible to the flower. You can trim off any fuzziness on the petals. Your flower is done. Crochet 8 flowers to form a circle. Arrange the flowers before you glue them. Arrange one petal at the top so you can hang your keychain. Similarly for the bottom petal so you can hang a charm. Use hot glue to glue them. Start from the top and bottom, then glue the sides. Apply glue on the areas where the petals touch. Slowly glue the petals on. Let the glue dry and they will be firmly glued. Some jump rings and hooks for your keychain and mini charm. Assemble however you like. Going with a purple theme for this one. And a butterfly mini charm. And your keychain is done. Different shapes and colors for your inspo.